Hey, this is going to be a little video about my 5-minute hair routine. This is how my hair usually looks right after I wake up. It's quite frizzy and I have permed hair, so I'm really looking for those defined curls, and that's not what it looks like right now. And this routine only has 2 products, no diffuser, and basically goes from this to this in no time at all. First, I take a little spray bottle I filled up with water and I spray it all over my hair. I usually focus on the bottom, but that's just where my perm is. People usually take a shower before they leave so that they can get their curly hair quite tamed, but I'm not that type of person. I don't really have the time before school or even on a normal day, so this is a really quick way to get the same effect. And don't worry, I shower, but I do it after I come home. You're looking for a damp hair, but not soaking, just enough so that your hair visibly clumps up and the curls start showing. I like to brush through my hair so that it's a little bit more smooth and you can separate the different clumps of curls, if that makes sense. Just want to make sure there are no patches of dry hair, and it should look like that. Then I'm going in with my Ride or Die hair product. This is the leave-in conditioner by Natural Fusions, not Sponse. It is really easy since it's in a spray bottle and it smells hella good. This somehow sets my curls really well and in a way that's not crusty, and it's kind of healthy for my hair. Then I crump my hair like so with my hands, just in a really slow motion. I don't know, it's just quite straightforward, and you can see that the curls are coming out, like they're just there now. At this point, I see a lot of people using diffusers, so if you do have that, you can use it. I don't, so I let it air dry and it dries up to be the same texture. And this is the hair semi-dried. I was really impatient and I needed to leave, so this is what it looks like. It's pretty nice. And this is what my hair looked like after an entire day of just like eating, movie watching, hanging out with friends, sleeping on couches, and honestly you can see the curls there. So yeah, thanks for watching. This is my new outro because I got an iPad, and yeah.